Okay.
I'm trying to focus this shit a little bit more. Okay. These are drunk makeup tutorials. We're gonna fucking rock this shit. My face looks blue. Okay.
Stage fright.
We're gonna start with fucking. I always use this shit first, so we're just gonna put this shit on our face, okay?
Damn, look at my. I should put my hair down, huh?
Oh, I should put my hair up. Just keep your hair up because this shit's gonna get your hair.
No, shit.
Good fucking enough. Okay, our camera's falling.
Well, let me put it up again. Oh, shit.
That's my boobs.
There's no going back.
That's not my face.
So do we have to put it really high so it doesn't get in our way?
That's my face.
That is so fucking bright.
Isn't it? I can't even see my makeup. Okay. Shut the fuck up. Okay.
You gotta put it higher. You gotta put it higher so it
I
doesn't
can't feel my hands. So
Yeah, I
this
can't
is kind of a challenge.
You gotta put my mouth.
Okay. Good enough. That's not what I wanted it to be.
It's okay.
You look hot. You look hot. I look like a fucking tramp. Okay. You know, Deanna looks like a tramp. I'm gonna scoot back a little bit like you. Okay. We're gonna fucking put this shit.
You're fucking little.
Alright, here we go.
Like I look like a giant up to you. How tall are you?
Start rubbing that shit. Here,
Is that my skin tone?
Really extra Jersey licious. What? Sorry, you put this shit everywhere.
Put it all over my face. That's just my cheeks.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You fuck. That's the same spot. God damn. What's a girl gotta do?
Start rubbing it.
Oh, I need to put it on my forehead too.
No, I can't feel my face right now.
I can fuck you all the time. I wish I could sing. I feel like my life would be a better place. I can fuck you.
Do you see how good our faces look right now?
Hold on, this is your makeup. This looks fucking black as shit. It's okay. Hold on, I'm not done though. I need to get right by my eyes.
Okay.
I'm not done!
Oh.
Stop rushing me! Don't take it!
You have the worst makeup line right now. Look at your makeup line.
I didn't put on my nose.
Just look at your makeup line for a second.
It's a little bad. Nothing no one will notice though. I don't think it's noticeable. It's like
Give me some.
Stop smacking me, you skink. I have it on my fingers. It's
How
okay, I
about
got
we
this.
take? Should we take some of this shit?
What is that?
This is self tanner.
Yeah. Wait, look at my face. Is it on video? I can't see shit. Can you see me? See? It's a little dark. It's because she's fucking. What are you?
African American.
African.
I'm Gucci
No, you're
Day.
not, you fucker. You're not black. I'm
Okay,
black.
give me your fucking hand.
Where are we putting it?
We're on our fucking faces.
Okay.
I don't.
Are you supposed to put this shit on your face? Don't they say it's bad for your face because your face is so like tender?
I don't fucking know.
I got tanning lotion. They told me do not put it on your face. But I did. Because I don't listen to fuckers.
Right now we're putting
I do whatever the fuck I want, whenever the fuck I want.
deep dark color on our face.
Should we should post this on the Bothell Bulletin. This fucking video. Just us doing our damn
Let me
makeup.
make sure I'm mixing this right. You look hot. You look black.
Look at me.
You just look black for
Dang, I need powder because my face is shiny.
Okay, let's just fucking. Let's not ruin my makeup, so let's use the stuff that we have available to us. My eyeshadow's in the fucking bathroom. Did you leave the lights on?
I don't know.
I will be right the fuck back.
I got an idea why you're gone.
I can't see him.
She just fell. Look. She just fucking fell. Is it back on me, the real star here? Yeah, I think so. Okay, go. Get out of here. God. She's crazy.
Hey, go get the fucking makeup. I don't know if I can wash down there.
No, just do it. I ran into your mom's door and she didn't even wake up.